Family, you know one thing I realized, cash, money is respected. People might not respect you, but they will respect your money and what you're trying to do if you're coming up with enough capital. I witnessed something that really, that was kind of funny to me that, due to the quarantine and all this, we out networking looking for rental property, and we put a deposit on something, and the guy was like, he didn't want to touch, just for quarantine, wanted to, not shake, whatever. That was all good. We had a good conversation. But boy, when I brung out my pocket and I brung that money out, he reached, it was out of my hand. I ain't got no gloves on. I reached it out and got ready to give it to him. He hurried up and grabbed it. Wouldn't shake my hand, but he embraced the money. Now, if I had something, don't you think it'd have been on the money? Don't you think the money is a little dirty? Hey man, it's a trip. Hey, money talk, bullshit walks, man. People will say what they want to say, but actions will always speak louder than words. It's about the money. So once you learn how to utilize the money, you can use the money to get you in good positions in life. But you have to realize that people might step on you, who you are as a person, culture. But if you learn how to use the capital, if you get enough capital, if you can, uh, I would say, um, know how to hold yourself when you are selling yourself to someone, or you're selling a product to someone. Knowing how to negotiate, and you got a little money, you can do something, man. This is no lie. Like, actions always speak louder than words. Like I said, we out networking right now. We ain't got nothing written in stone as far as what direction we're going, but we're just checking out different homes until, we find something that, we get approved on and that we like. You know what I mean? So it's a two-in-one thing. So I'm out doing that today, man. But I just thought that was funny that the guy was so quick to take my money, or wanted to take my money. You know what I mean? But wasn't quick to shake my hand due to the quarantine. But he, I didn't have no gloves on. He didn't have none on. And it was just funny to me, boy. I'm not telling you, he reached out quick to grab it. Hey, man, actions speak louder than words. Hold on.